Alright guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and we are back again with a shoulder rehab exercise. We're going to do rotating cuff. You can't call it rehab, it's a part 2 of what you already saw in the shoulder exercise. You can see the link on top somewhere around there. Just click on that. That's a part 1. This is a part 2. It's similar to that, but we are extending few other exercises so that you can do it and strengthen your shoulder and make it really bulletproof. So if you have clicking sound and all those kind of people sitting on computers for a very long time holding mouse, and or you're on a sitting position for a long, or riders, all these riders who do not flex their elbows while riding, keep it stiff and ride, those guys will have severe shoulder pain, and those impinging pain can be solved. The first exercise, what I'm going to do, you can sit and do this, because we're only focusing on the shoulder. We're going to isolate, but try to engage your core throughout any exercise. Don't miss out on engaging your core, so tighten your core. Take light dumbbells, don't bother to take heavy ones. This is not a competition, this is not muscle hypertrophy. We're going to rehab the exercise, so do not slacken your hand, keep it in L shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then turn your hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you can do the other way around also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Now, that being said, you can either bounce, that's more effective, or take 1, 2 at a step. Okay, add this for your rotator. Now you need to find a place to sit. Okay, so lean forward, tighten your lower back, get the dumbbell on the side, or any weight, either if it's a water bottle, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, continue till 10, then change your hand. Okay, so I did about 8, 9 now. Then change the hand again. Take the support of your hand, flex your lower back, and then keep it tight. So you're going to do your rear deltoids by doing this. Alright, so the teres major, posterior deltoids, all that is what you're working on. So just push it. So you're covering whole of your deltoids now. So this is the first 2 exercises. You'll see more. Today's shoulder rehab exercise, and this is going to be the 3rd exercise. If you've been watching the video till now, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends to write to us and ask any questions. This is again one of those questions. Gautam had a clicking sound in the shoulder, so we decided to do the rehab for him. We're starting it today. He will continue doing it. If you have issues like this, please do continue doing it. So the next exercise, what I want you to do, this exercise works on your anterior deltoids and your posterior deltoids together. So now what you're going to do is have a tiny dumbbell Okay, so sit in the same position. Now the angle is about 45 degrees. Now when you do front raises, you get a 90-degree flexion and you don't get the full range of movement. Now when you're here, okay, at 45 degrees, what you do is take this all the way up and bring it back down. And do it slow with a light weight and keep going on for 10 reps on each side, at least 3 sets of it. Okay, you will feel your muscles working. So I'm doing approximately 5 and I'm changing the side again so that you can see what I'm doing. So keep your lower back engaged, okay, your core engaged, then lift. So it's an intense exercise. It looks easy, but definitely will work. After the 5th reps, you will feel your shoulder working up really tough. So try this and you will experience the intensity. Next exercise, hold the dumbbell. So I'm pressing my thumb against the dumbbell here and sitting upright. Then from there, I'm taking my shoulders away and flexing the back and bringing it back again. Flex and back. Flex. So you might think it looks like the chest flies, but it works on your shoulders. Hold your chest in the same position and move your shoulders around. And there's an amazing exercise, 10 into 4, and it works, right? All right, the next exercise, what we're going to do is, so you would have seen this exercise in the chest workout, we have done it, but this time we're going to focus it on your shoulders. Now that being said, chest still loads up, but 20% of your load goes through your shoulders. So that's what we're targeting. So this is a very mild exercise on the shoulder, but more activates your chest. And since chest is connected with the shoulder, you will find this doing really good for your shoulders. So what you can do is take a small dumbbell, press it from, don't hold it, don't grip it, hold it from the side. Again, just press it and then take it up and down, up and down. While the weight goes down, you're not letting it go down, but your shoulder is keeping it up and pushing it away from you. So you'll have to do it in an angle of 45 degrees. Push it up, take a heavier weight than usual, what you did now, just double the weight and then try it. So if you've been doing with 3 kgs or so, try to do it with 6. Okay, thanks for watching till the end, and this is the second part of the rehab exercise. So if you're trying to learn something, I'm giving a lot of options for you to work out and rehab your shoulder pain. Now I'll give you more on your wrist and your forearm and all that. If you want such exercises, continue watching and subscribing to Incorporate Fitness, and our channel will help you. Write to us and we'll help you out with that. Thank you. Thanks for support. Do it.